Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I will show you the keyword filtering feature of Crawlomatic, as some of you guys asked details about it and I want to make things clear to explain how this will work. So this will allow you to filter results that are scraped by Crawlomatic by keywords, and you can ban or require words which would appear in the scraped results. So how this will work is that you can define that, hey Crawlomatic, go ahead and scrape all the links that are found here, for example on TechCrunch or these news posts, and scrape them. But if you find any post that contain the word workstation, then I don't want that post to be published on my site. Or instead, you can also define a rule that says that, hey Crawlomatic, I only want to post articles from TechCrunch which contains the word Google in them. So these are the two options that are possible to be done in Crawlomatic, and let me show you an example on how to use this. So you can use this by scraping, for example, TechCrunch. So paste the TechCrunch landing page, the main page of TechCrunch here where the links are found. And we can increase the maximum post count to 10, for example. Click settings and scroll down until you see do not scrape seed URL. So check this checkbox because we don't want to scrape the content of this page. We only want to crawl its links. And now let's go and select visual selector here and click on an example post that we wish to scrape. And in the content query type, if we configure the plugin correctly, post URL will show up here, and we can highlight and select the post content that we wish to scrape. So now let's save settings and let's do the importing part without any filtering, as Crawlomatic will take now all posts from this page and it will publish them on my site. So all these posts will be taken by Crawlomatic, and if we check the front page of my site, here posts are appearing. So if we refresh, we will see how posts are published one by one and a featured image will be attached to them. Okay, so now let me show you the banned words list and required words list feature of the plugin, which will be the theme of this tutorial video. So these are the features that I want to talk about. This will allow you to filter by keywords, to not allow keywords to appear in posts, or to require keywords that must appear in posts in order to be scraped by Crawlomatic, for them to be scraped by Crawlomatic. Okay, so for example, let me go in and let's require the word workstation. Okay, so let's enter required words list workstation. And we can also require Apple, for example, and add a comma and write Apple. Require only one word from above. This checkbox will modify the inner workings of the plugin. If you don't check this checkbox, all words that you list here will be required, all of them. So posts will be published only if they contain also workstation and Apple. But if you check this checkbox, it will require only one word from above. So any of these words, if they appear in the title or content of the page, they will be posted. Okay, so now let's delete the imported posts. Let's refresh the site and let's run scraping again. So in this case, the plugin will go ahead and filter the posts, and if we go to activity and logging menu of the plugin, we will actually be able to see what will happen here. So we will see that publishing post Apple, publishing post pluggable, no required words found, no required words found, and so on. And if we go and refresh our site, only the workstation and Apple posts are actually posted. Others are skipped and are not scraped and published. Okay, now let me show you the banned words list. This will work similarly to how the required words list works, but actually it will ban all the words from the list that you add here from appearing. So if you want to get any posts from TechCrunch, but excepting those that contain the words workstation or Apple, then we will be able to do this also. So let's delete the posts and let's run scraping once again. And now we should get all the other posts that were not published the last time we ran the plugin. So if we check activity and logging and refresh the logs, banned word detected, and yeah, it seems that many banned words are detected here. Oh, so not sure why, but the post seems to contain also many other banned words. But let me remove this and rerun by Apple, as there might be the word workstation in them. Anyway, this is the basic idea of this, so let me know if you need more ideas or suggestions, and they are welcome in the commenting section of this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, if you have ideas, let me know. Bye bye.